Dynamic versus static codes. Which one is better for your e-commerce store? I'm gonna compare the two. Let's go. I get asked this a lot. What is the difference between dynamic and static coupon codes, and which one is better for your e-commerce store? Dynamic codes look like this. Static codes look like this. Both work great, yet they're still different and can get you different results for your e-commerce store. If you're trying to make more money from your email marketing, then pay close attention to this video. Which one would you focus on if you had to pick just one? Well, I'm gonna get into that. First, let's take a look at what they are. Dynamic codes are created inside of Klaviyo and generate a unique strings of letters and numbers that can be only used once, like a fingerprint per customer. Static codes stay the same. Think of codes like welcome 10, cart 10, browse 10, you get the gist. These are made from the inside of your Shopify backend. Each of these has its rightful and useful place, but use them wrong and you can end up with a burnt email list and thousands of dollars in refunds or wasted ad spend. Want you to use them. Let's dive into that. Static coding. As the name says, these are static, so they should be used for campaigns only, and they should have a specific expiration date. It's a use it and lose it type of situation where it runs its course, expires, and then we move on to the next campaign. Imagine this scenario. If a user Googled a coupon code for your e-commerce store, usually there are coupon codes available on popular coupon sharing sites. When users click the link, they're redirected to your e-commerce site. However, the coupons should not apply as they typically have a set time frame, usually just a few days or so. Dynamic codes. With dynamic codes, the coupon code is unique for each recipient and it can only be used once. These are very rarely shared to coupon sites, and when they are, they cannot be used anyway. Why are they crucial for your store success? But wait, why do you not want to be on these sites again? The most important reason? Spam bots. These coupon sites are literally crawling with these little buggers, and when they start firing their fake marketing pixels on your site, not only do they waste your ad spend and potentially slow your site down, they can wreak havoc on your email marketing pixels. Moreover, new clients are great, but those coming from these sites are usually a non-invested customer or what we call a one-time hit and run sale. These guys end up as dead weights on your list anyway. We'll tell you how to fix that though in just a bit. Ready to make your codes bulletproof? Let's go. First, we'll start with dynamic codes. All right, moving over to Klaviyo, I'm going to walk you through step by step on how to set up your coupon code, your dynamic coupon code inside of Klaviyo. So first thing you want to do is go to coupons. It's right here under content. And in here, you want to create Shopify coupon. Click on that button right there. Now, let me walk you through this part right here. So name, I like to call the discount code, a dynamic discount code, in a descriptive name that is gonna tell me where the coupon code is located. So let's say if I'm planning to use this coupon code in the abandoned checkout flow, I'm gonna use a name like AB Checkouts, right? If it was, let's say, for a welcome series, so you can call it a welcome. If it's a campaign, just name it as the name of your campaign. If you are curious on our naming guideline, we have a video. You can check it out on how to name your flows and campaigns to keep your account nice and organized. So for this example, I'm gonna create an abandoned checkout discount. Now moving on to the prefix, this is actually pretty cool. You can basically add either an abbreviated format of your flow, like AC, or even let's say carts or checkout. And I like to use a little hyphen, okay? Where if you use a prefix, usually I like to use a shorter prefix like AC, your coupon codes will have this prefix before the unique strings of characters that Klaviyo will add as a unique coupon code. So basically, just to keep it simple, let's say if this is your unique coupon code, this is what it would look like all together, right? So Klaviyo will add AC hyphen before your unique coupon codes, and this whole thing will be your dynamic coupon code. So it can also look like this, it's basically AC hyphen and 8 random letters and numbers to the end of your prefix, as you see right here. Okay, so I definitely like to use it. It just adds a little touch. Now moving on to discount, let's say for the abandoned discount, for the abandoned checkout, I like to use something like 10% off, but you can also use a fixed amount, free shipping, so on and so forth. Decide where you'd like to apply the discount on a specific collection, product, or the entire order. For this example, I'll use the entire order. Now, this is a cool part here, require minimum purchase. If you'd like to use a conditional split and only give the discount, let's say over a certain amount, so you can basically split the cart or split the flow based on cart value. So here, this is the place to do that. You can basically do the coupon code would apply on orders over $100, $200, and this is the place to put that. Activation at send time. This is great for flows on a specific date. This is great for campaigns. Same thing here. After a certain number of days, hours for the expiration, this is great for flows, and this is great for campaigns. So let's say I want to have 3 days for this coupon code. Okay, so here we go. Now moving back up, looks like we're all set here. Let's click on create coupon. Now real quick before we finalize here, just read it real quick and make sure that this is what you indeed want it to be, right? So 10% off any order with subtotal greater than $200, valid starting. Okay, so the validity, this is something I'd like to change because it looks like this is not good for flows, right? As I said, good thing I checked. So for flows, we'd like to have something that is making sense. So the coupon code will be activated as soon as the email was sent, which is great for flows. Now here, before we wrap up, just making sure you can add codes and at least add 1,000 codes to your coupon code, okay? It doesn't give me the option right now, so I'll just circle back later, but you need to add at least 1,000 coupon codes, so there's enough coupon codes for your users to receive and to use, right? So you need to create the coupon code, and then step 2 is to add coupon codes, and now the process is created inside of Shopify. Now let's move over to a template, and I'm going to show you how to set it up inside of your template. So here is a template. This is the abandoned checkout here, and I want to add the coupon code right inside of this template, inside of this email template. So what I'm going to do first is drag over a text block as I did right now, delete the content that you have here. Now I'm going to have another tab open here, which I'm going to leave you inside of the description of this video down below. Go ahead and grab the coupon tag, okay? Copy, paste, okay? Make sure you don't have any ones or anything like that. I like to have it nice and centered, just like this. And now, what you'd like to do is grab the name of your coupon code, just like I did, and delete name of coupon placeholder. Now make sure not to delete the quotation marks. This is super, super important. Otherwise, your code is not gonna work. Now, if I just copy this in, you see this is not a good format. What I'd like to do instead of just doing Control V or Command V on Mac, is Command Shift V. Okay, this way is gonna copy your coupon code without any links or hyperlinks connected or attached to the name, right, to the coupon code. Now this is looking great. I'm gonna hit done. And final stage, preview and test. Now, this indicates, this little hyphen preview, that the coupon code is set up correctly. I want to show you if I would by accident delete, let's say, quotation mark. Okay, I want to show you what a invalid code looks like. Okay, so Klaviyo gives you a message right here that something is wrong with one of your tags or variables. Okay, and as you can see here, there's a missing quotation mark. The quotation mark needs to stay in place just like I showed you. If you get this error message, you know what to do. Just go ahead, make sure to add a single quotation mark, just like I did right now. Super, super important, guys. And we're back on track. This is a working coupon code. Now, if you're curious why it doesn't show you what I explained before, where is the formatting, AC hyphen, where's the unique coupon code? Klaviyo and Shopify have this type of format where you just see the preview. It's not gonna populate the coupon code for a preview inside of Klaviyo, but it will populate the coupon code inside of a real email. So what you can do if you want to test this is send yourself an actual preview of this coupon code. You can do this typically in a campaign. So hopefully it makes sense. Please let me know if you have any questions. What sucks about email marketing? Well, for one, it's the setup. It can be incredibly frustrating to know how to set up all these flows, what campaigns to send, segmentation, or how to monitor your deliverability to stay out of the spam box. It might be a real pain in the neck, especially if it's your first time. I remember my first time, but think about it. It's actually a good thing because few e-commerce stores are willing to take the time, energy, and patience to learn all this stuff about email and SMS marketing. Once you've done this and set them up, you're entering an advertising space that a lot of people actually avoid. So you can get all those clicks and reap the rewards as you scale your store from your own marketing channels like email and SMS marketing. I've actually made a full course about email and SMS marketing that I uploaded to YouTube for free, where I walk you through step by step on how to set up all your automation flows, what campaigns should you send, how to create reports, and so much more. So be sure to check out my channel. Like I said, links are down below in the description to all those resources. So go ahead and learn from everything I've got to give you. Just go through and learn as much as you can about email and SMS marketing because they're an amazing assets on growing your store. If you have any question, feel free to drop it in the comments. I'll do my best and answer as many as I can. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. That tells YouTube, Nate over here is making some good content that people actually like. His audience is enjoying and finding this valuable. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.